Hello, greetings to you all, beautiful souls. Let's quickly learn this 2 minutes head wrap together. Very easy, very simple, but beautiful and elegant. You can see it's just pieces of Ankara material. You saw the width when I show it, and you also saw the length. All right, so pleating it roughly and placing it from the back this way. Watch closely. I did not knot it. Watch what I did there. I drag some excesses up, holding it this way, fold this side also, and drag it up, bringing the two of them together. All right, so if you want it to be very high, watch closely what I'm doing. That place I'm holding now, you drag it up very well. If you don't want it to be high, you can reduce it. See, you can reduce it like this. If you don't want the height to be very high, okay, you can reduce it like this. But I want to give it a little height. That's why I'm dragging it. So if you want it to be very high, you can drag it up very, very well. All right, so making sure both are equal, making sure both are equal. Then you use your rubber band to fasten it together. Use your rubber band. Remember, I did not knot it, so it's that rubber band you fasten there that will make it very, very strong. So make sure the rubber band goes like 2 times so that the base will be very, very firm and secured. All right, if this is the first time you're coming across my video, the person you're hearing a voice is Demi Igele Empire on YouTube. All right, so these excesses that remain now, if you like, you can twist it, take it to the back and tuck it in, or you do it the way I did it. All right, so I twisted it and used it round that part that I raised up, then twist the little excesses that remain and then tuck it in. You can see, all right, tuck this other side in as well. So please watch closely. We are done tying. So this part now, just open it, stretch it out, both of them. Just stretch it out and pin it. You are good to go. The head wrap will be ready. You can see, just stretch it out. Those excesses that was folded in, just stretch them out, then use office pin to pin it at the edge. The beautiful head wrap will be ready. Alright, as I said before, this is Demi Girl Empire on YouTube. So please do want to drop your like and your comment. Do not just watch and walk away. I am begging you, subscribe to my channel. Let's learn together. You have a lot of beautiful hairstyles to learn here. Oh yes, it's beginners friendly. You have a lot to learn. Oh yeah, so don't just watch and walk away. Drop your like and your comments, and also share my video. Also practice, they say, makes perfect, and let's keep learning together. All right, so you can see what I said. Just stretch that part out. I've pinned the other edge, so this edge now I will use pin. Just use the office pin and pin it down. Watch closely, pay attention to my hand. You see what I am doing. The head wrap is very easy, very simple, but beautiful and elegant. Just 2 minutes, you are done. All right, you see that part now. I use office pin to pin it down. So I'm also going to use office pin to bring the middle together. So let's continue. I welcome you all, my new subscribers and the old ones. I say kudos to you. Thank you so much for being part of my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, as I said before, so that middle now, I brought the two of them together and used office pin to hold it. Okay, watch closely. So I use office pin to bring it together. You can see what is left now is to adjust the head wrap. adjust it, and our beautiful, elegant, cute head wrap is ready. All right, so that is what the back look like. The back is open, it's not closed, because you can still do this style closing the back as well. So you can see how beautiful and elegant it is. So thanks for watching, all my new and old subscriber, and those of you who have not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be happy to see you in my next video. So that is what the head wrap look like. Bye.